My name is Heinrich. I'm product manager for the LUK range of the Schaeffler portfolio here in Port Elizabeth, South Africa, in particular with the LUK product of our division. So in front of us we have some mock-up models of actual product. On the sides, this is the inner part of our company's division, and this is a nice working model so that you can see how this works on an actual engine. That is a timing belt kit, so it includes your timing belts, your tensioners, you've got a water pump on here, you've got all sorts of anti-vibration devices, so it's a full comprehensive kit that is available from us. On this side over here, we've got the LUK product, and this is actually two of our products that can be sold as a complete kit. It can also be sold as individual items. So starting at the back, we have what they refer to as a dual mass flywheel. So essentially it is two flywheels that are able to rotate on each other. The main function of the dual mass flywheel is to absorb the vibrations that is created by the engine. This is referred to as a SAC clutch, or a self-adjusting clutch. As your clutch kit wears over time and use, it actually will self-adjust. Your pedal effort, or the comfort when you're applying the pedal, always stays the same, as well as what we refer to as the clamp load, so the strength of the clutch does not diminish, it stays the same. So on this side we've got the latest technology with regards to clutches. This is referred to internally as a 2CT clutch, known in the market as a DSG clutch. So it is an automated clutch, so not to be confused with a full automatic hydraulic system. This is operated by mechatronics. So it's hydraulics, mechanical, electronic. So what does a clutch kit do? That's a very good question. The most obvious thing that people think of is that you use it to change gears, and that is quite correct. It is what allows you to change gears by separating your transmission from your engine. That's the only way you can actually physically change gears. The other very important aspect of a clutch is that it transfers the torque from your engine to your driveline. So without a clutch kit, this is not possible. These products are all available from Goldwagen.
Morning, my name is Heinrich. I'm aftermarket supply chain manager here at Schaeffler, South Africa, based in Thabega. I've been here for just over 5 years. At Schaeffler, South Africa, we manufacture obviously clutch components. We've got a variety of pressures for different products. And as I said, the tools go through and we try and run as many parts as we can on a run to save time and be more efficient. After the press shop, the parts generally go to the component store. We've got various lines here for various categories of parts. The parts from the press shop will come into here, and from here they'll be then put into various, depending on which jobs, out to the assembly area. As mentioned, the parts come from our production facility, our factory, and they come into here. We take the two parts, we match them into our yellow boxes, and they will then get shipped to all our end user customers, with the likes of Goldwagen being one of our bigger customers. Thank you very much for joining us here at Schaeffler in Port Elizabeth, commonly known as Thabega. As our Managing Director, Marshall Marburg, said, come to PE, it's a beautiful place, and Schaeffler's a professional, friendly plant.